All right, welcome to phase one of modular origami. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to have to do this fold quite a few times. So you're going to want to run through this and, just replicate it. You're probably going to end up doing this, for the first shape 3 times. So the first fold is going to be folding it from the, oh, sorry, my mistake, folding it in half. So we're going to take our origami piece of paper and we're just going to fold it in half once, kind of like that right there. So we're folding the paper in half. Now with origami, it's all about making sure that your creases line up perfectly. So we got a perfect half crease right there. The second and third crease, or the second and third folds, is going to be the bottom to the middle crease, and then the top to the middle crease. So we should have something that kind of looks like that. If at any point in time this is going too fast, slow it down or just pause it. All right, so the next couple of folds are symmetrical folds. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the bottom left-hand corner and we're just going to fold it to make a triangle on the left side. So we now have a triangle. Now over here, it should be matching up perfectly. Okay, so there should not be overlap, there should not be underlap. It should match up perfectly. And then we're going to take the right side and we're going to fold down, and it should be symmetrical. What that means is that if I rotate it, it looks exactly the same. It's almost as if nothing's changed at all. After we do this fold here, we're going to unfold it there, and we have this weird little triangle left. We're going to take this triangle and we are going to tuck it under. We're going to have a triangle up here and we're going to do the same thing. So for this one, to explain, we're going to take it and we're going to reverse the fold. So on that folded line right there, we're going to reverse the fold by picking up the paper and folding it over like that. Folding it in half. And we're going to do the same thing up here. We're going to take the top and we're going to reverse that fold. We're going to reverse that crease and we're going to fold it down like that and bring it down. All right, now we're almost at the end. We're just going to grab this piece right here and we're going to take the top right-hand corner and we're just going to tuck it underneath and fold it down. We're going to take the bottom left-hand corner, and this one you're actually not going to be able to lift up because it's kind of stuck now, and we're just going to fold it inside, and we got a shape that looks like this. And you have your first of 3 or 6 or 12 pieces for modular origami. Follow the other tutorials to find the rest of them.